Hi there, Yvonne Seymour here. So I just wanted to pop in and with a quick video about my tip for today. So a lot of you might be following business pages on Facebook and Instagram and all the different social media platforms. And a lot of people like and share posts, which are great. It's really good. But a better way to help and support that business would be to like and comment, okay? Because at the end of the day, Facebook are looking for pages, particularly business pages, to engage with their followers. So you might notice a lot of business pages are starting to ask questions. So questions that prompt an answer. So for example, I asked a question recently on for book recommendations, and it created a massive amount of engagement. I could have started a book club as a result of it. It was amazing. And I have a list of books to read for the rest of my life, which is fantastic because I love to read. But what was the purpose of that post? The purpose of that post really was to get to know people and to get to interact with my followers. Instead of me just promoting, it gets so boring. I get bored with it, so I can imagine how other people feel, how my followers feel. So I would say the same to you with your business page. If you want to get more engagement on your page, then why not start a conversation? At the end of the day, it's social media. Social media is all about being social. So it's okay to be social on social media. That's what it's there for. And it's a really good way to get to know your followers and to build up that that like and trust element between you and them. So plus it's really enjoyable. You know, that night that I posted that post about the requesting the book recommendations, I had such a laugh. Like, it was really good crack, and the more comments that were coming in, I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. So, you know, it was really good, and I was getting to know things about my followers that I had no idea about. So it was just lovely. So I would encourage you, if you're a business owner, to get involved with your followers. And equally, if you're a follower, if you're watching this and you're a follower of business pages, start commenting, start getting involved. It's good crack. And it's just, it's all about being social, and be social. It's great. Plus, it helps the business owner so much more if you do get involved, and if conversations start happening, because Facebook is all about, and not just Facebook, I shouldn't just talk about Facebook, but all the social media platforms are all about engaging in conversation. So it is really good to get involved in the conversation. And even if you're too shy to maybe put a comment, stick in an emoji. You know, so, and that allows you to be involved as well. So it's a really good way of helping the business owner get more reach on their page, and it is a really good way of you getting to know the person behind the page, which I think is vitally important. I think that's far more important than anything else. I think I always want to know who the person is behind the page. I always want to know a little bit about them. I love getting to know the people behind the business page. As part of my reason for being on social media, I just love getting to know people and seeing, you know, what they're about. I'd love to get a snippet of their behind the scenes. And you'd often see here, sometimes I'll give you a snippet of behind the scenes. You're getting a snippet right now. You're getting my sitting room, because I work from home. So you're getting a piece of my home into your world. So just a little tip on getting involved, getting engaged, helping people helping business pages extend their reach. So rather than like and share, which is good, but why not get involved instead and get involved in the conversation? And that's it. That's my tip for the day. And as usual, if there's anything I can help you with, just shout up. I'll be more than happy to help. That's it for me. Bye for now.